Alright guys, so real quick before I get into the next video, I want to go over a little announcement. I've seen a lot of comments telling me that I haven't been doing enough deck giveaways, so what I figured I'll do is I'll do one right now. It's going to be super simple. All you have to do is go and follow Leon Malley123 on Snapchat. I'll leave the name up here, this way you guys can see it. Make sure you add him, come back, and as soon as you're done, comment done in the comments below, and that way I can send you a free deck and also a wristband as well. So make sure you guys do that. And then anyways guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get into the video right now. Alright guys, so today I'm gonna be showing you this really cool card trick. It's not too difficult, and anyways guys, this is what it's gonna look like. So to start off, let's say I would go ahead and I could have you pick any card from a shuffle deck like this, and what I'll do is, let's say I'll riffle down the side of the pack and you can say stop. Let's say we just say stop here. You can just look at the card you picked. In this case, it's the 8 of spades. Now, if you're here, I'd let you sign the card, but you're not. So all I'm going to do is take your 8, put it into the middle of the deck. As you can see, it's clearly going in the middle. Now, what I want to do here is take the cards, leave them in the box for a split second, and what should happen is your card should now come floating out of the middle of the deck. As you can see, the 8 of spades. So this is a trick guys, and if you want to know how to do it, don't forget to stick around for the tutorial. Alright, so here's how you guys are going to be able to do the trick. So to start off, basically all you want to do is get a regular deck of cards and then a card box, and you need the box because what you're going to do is cut open a little rectangle hole in the front. So here's the flap part, and you want to put the hole where the flap is. So here I got a little X-Acto knife, and I just cut it where it said the second T entrusted, and I cut down till it said playing cards, moved over to the right, and then came back up. So this is the hole. Okay, this is what you're making. And when I started off the trick, I had the cards inside the box, and then obviously you have this huge gaping hole here. So what I did was I covered up the hole like this. This way you guys can, kind of see the box here, but you're not giving away the hole. So from this point, you can go up to the spectators, and all I did was I flipped the deck out like this. This way you're covering up the hole here. You move the deck out, conceal the hole, you can take out the cards and leave the box on the table. So at this point, if you wanted to, you could just dribble down the cards like I did, and you could do a simple double lift. And this, in my opinion, this is probably the best thing you can do here, because you are taking a random card, I guess, to the spectators, so the spectator thinks it's random. I'll leave a link on the screen for the double lift. Basically, you're taking the double, and it looks like you're just putting that ace of diamonds in the middle, but you're taking a random card. So to the spectator, this looks really nice, and you can just have them shove the card in themselves. They square it up. There, select the card. Let's say the ace of diamonds is on top. You put the cards back in face up. This way, the back is going to be shown if you were looking at the hole. So at this point, the spectator is going to be seeing the front of the deck this way. And basically all you're doing is you're using your index fingers starting from the bottom, and all you're doing is slowly pushing that card from the back up with your index finger, and you can pull it back out. And I recommend doing a nice slow and controlled push. This way it looks a little more like it's just moving on its own, and then you can just eventually pull it out with your 2 fingers, leave the deck back on the table, and then show the card to the spectator. So this is a trick guys. I hope you guys like it, and as always, thanks for watching.